The Iran crisis, where we stand. Well, we all know the price of oil is up after the war began with Iran. And the reason is the Strait of Hormuz. We all can discuss and debate if we should be in a war or not, but my job is to look at the economics. And the economics is based on oil. So about 20% of the world's supply of oil flows through the Strait of Hormuz, which is currently primarily closed. The price of oil has moved from $65 a barrel to well over $100 a barrel. But when we take a look at the futures market for oil delivered in either September or December, the price of oil is about $70, $75 a barrel. So the futures market is looking at this is probably going to be short-term in nature, at least on the oil supply. Now, that doesn't mean the futures market is always correct, but at least that's where the expectations are right now. Now, if we take a look at most conflicts, Fidelity Investments did an analysis all the way back to Pearl Harbor. And most of the events are short-term in duration. And 12 months after each of these conflicts came to an end, the markets were usually up about 8%, pretty much in line with the annual return of the stock market. Now, when we take a look at where our economy is, we are in a productivity boom right now, primarily due to AI. Earnings estimates are for 12 to 15% earnings gains in 2026, another 12 to 15% next year. This compares to only 7 to 8% historically for the S&P 500. So we have an earnings boom going on. On interest rates, probably no change this year because of the inflationary impact that oil may drive into our system this year. But next year, it's expected that we'll get 1 or 2 interest rate cuts by the Fed. This is why we advise all clients to have at least 2 years, if not 3 to 4 years of safety money, cash, money markets, bonds coming due. This way, markets are going to do what they're going to do. There is always volatility on the downside, but our clients have enough cash on the sidelines to be able to pay their bills for at least 2, if not 3 or 4 years, and not really worry about the stock market. The rest of their monies are invested in the stock market for the long-term gain potential of stocks, which is usually pretty strong. If you think we can give you some advice with your investments, give us a call. We start with a lot of planning. We do retirement planning, tax planning, and certainly investment management as well. My name is Rich Lawrence. Give us a call at 215-540-0896. There's no better time than now. We'll have a relaxed, confidential call to see if there's a fit or not. And if so, we'd be happy to help you. Thank you for your time.